A friend asked the following question. Please make a video explaining how to create such maps. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to make a tanks versus tanks battlefield. To make this map, first, we will delete all the waypoints that represent the spots of the players, but only have 2 players on this map.
Subscribe.
After that, we will draw a square, then copy and paste it into the middle of the map, and based on that square, we will design the shape of the battlefield. We distribute waypoints in preparation for the orders we will perform later.
Time is running out. Gentlemen, it's a nuclear device. Time is running out. Time is running out.
After completing the map design, we will begin to create the triggers to spawn tanks through the task force window, through which we determine the infantry or vehicles that we will spawn, and then we also determine the number of those units. Then we give each tank a script to determine the mission of those tanks, where they will go, and what they will do. We have designed 3 paths in the map for the 2 teams, so we will repeat the script commands 3 times, taking into account the difference in the places where the waypoint is located. After that, from the team window, we will determine which player or which country these tanks will belong to. Here we also take into account that the 2 teams will take 3 paths, so we start with the first team and determine the 3 paths from the script that we prepared a while ago. Then, after we finish with the first team, we repeat the process, cloning it from the first team and modifying it for the second team. Finally, from the trigger editor window, we will summon the 2 teams that we created and specify the time at which they will spawn and their starting point.
Creation of a humanoid. Power to overwhelm and destroy. The product of a
Oh, I forgot to prepare the intro, as it is important that the camera be directed toward the battlefield and not at the players' spots where the MCV is. And we're going to reveal all the maps so we can watch the battle.
Your feeling of helplessness is your best friend, savage. Your feeling of helplessness is your best friend, savage.
3, 2, 1, 0.
You've seen how the map works and you can switch between vehicles. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to share the video to benefit all fans of the game. Thanks for watching and best wishes to everyone. See you in a new video.